The drag paradiddle. So this again, a little bit like the flam paradiddle, where you play a flam at the beginning of your paradiddle, you play a drag at the beginning of your paradiddle. So you get your a drag, a diddle, a drag, a diddle. So this one, when you're alternating it, is a little bit tricky because the hand that you finish with, just had to check that, plays the drag the next time. So you get your a drag, double, and then that hand you stay on it to do your drag, but they're different speeds. So your double was that speed and your drag will be did it, so it'd be almost twice the speed, as an example. So sounds super cool, gets your hands moving, gets your brain working, and you could use it in, you know, in contemporary music, but it's definitely something you're obviously going to come across as the grades get harder. They want to see that you can, you know, make those quick chops and changes. The drag paradiddle.